Hey guys, this is Paul from Nihilo Concepts in Stuart, Florida. Today we're going to talk about our Nihilo Concepts crankcase breather inline filter. This is a very important device for your motorcycle. It's going to help you keep dirt and debris away from entering your motor, and it's going to give you extra protection from the outside elements. The installation is very important, and I'll show you how it's done. So the first thing you want to do is you want to locate your crankcase breather hose. This works for all bikes, but for KTMs, they're usually on the left-hand side, running down from the cylinder head cover down all the way to the left side of the shock. Once you locate the crankcase breather, you do a nice perfect cut around this area. And you proceed to install your heavy-duty hose clamps. Next, you want to slide one of your heavy-duty clamps over the top hose like this. You want to do the same thing on the bottom hose. Now we proceed to install our Nihilo Concepts crankcase breather inline filter. Make sure both ends of the hoses are all the way up against the filter. Now we proceed to locate the hose clamps on their final position. And there you have it. That's how easy it is to install your Nihilo Concepts crankcase breather inline filter. Now available at nihiloconcepts.com. Thanks for watching.